HDI Air Pak series. Product overview. Let's review the basic operations of the HDI Air Pak series. Warning: please read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Compressed air, generator, battery charge, crank assist, and multi-process welding capabilities are standard. All models include a user interface, battery charge, and weld output panels that can be installed wherever it is most convenient for use. The auxiliary power remote panel is optional. The user interface remote LED screen consists of 6 activation buttons and a push-button main control knob to help navigate the screens. The on-off start and shutdown button powers the unit off and on. The QR code provides access to additional resources such as spec sheet, owner's manual, and product registration. Reminder: it's important to register your product to receive information on new technology and software updates. Before starting the HDI Air Pak, verify that the chassis engine is running and the hydraulic PTO is engaged. The home screen displays generator RPM, air system pressure, and hydraulic fluid temperature. The top left corner of the screen shows a status bar for user feedback and active alerts. The bottom of the screen shows soft button icons: welding button, battery charge button, and air button. White means on, gray means off. The menu selection provides access to system settings, maintenance, system information screens, productivity, troubleshooting, and truck upfitter settings. Note: truck upfitter settings should be set only by the upfitter. The cable length and size determine critical weld auto set parameters. As always, please carefully review the owner's manual for additional information.